Hi, I'm Dr. Shulman from Pure Health, and this is our third video in our posture series. Today we're going to talk about proper sitting. So, as many of us know, we're all spending far too much time sitting these days. And after many of us have been sitting for about 15 or 20 minutes, we end up in this position. So our body weight slumps backwards and then our shoulders come forward. And in order to correct this, we're really going to focus on the position of our pelvis and how it's sitting on the chair. So you'll notice when you're sitting in this position, if you think about where those sits bones are, you let your body weight fall behind them. That's causing the slump. So if instead you roll your body weight to the front of them, what you're going to notice is your upper body will straighten up at the same time. So there's a couple different ways to get you in the right position. One is to just feel the weight roll to the front of your sits bones. Excuse me. The second way to do this is to actually pull your sits bones a little bit wider. So I'm going to be pulling them out and on an angle. So you literally just reach down and you pull your sits bones into a wider stance. You'll immediately feel a much more stable base and better posture. If you're at work and you don't want to grab your sits bones, we get that. Then instead of that, all that you're going to do is you're going to walk them into the right position one at a time. So your first sits bone is going to go wider and back, and then your second one will. And you'll notice that your body weight ends up forward and you end up in the proper position. Now, many of us can't hold this position for very long, so there's a couple easy ways to help bolster yourself in this position. The first one is just to get a towel or one of those bean bags, roll up the towel and or place the towel or bean bag just right in the back of your pelvis to give you a little bit of a boost. So you're sitting right on top of that bean bag or that towel. It's in the back third of your pelvis, and that'll help you stay upright. The second way, and my favorite way to do it, is I just use an old throw pillow and I put it behind me for support, but I bring the edge of it down and I just sit on the very edge of it. You can see how this keeps me from rolling back because it's helped make the angle of my pelvis stay more forward. When you're in this position, if you try to slouch, you can't do it. So you'd have to actually slump in order to allow yourself to slouch. So getting your base set properly when you're sitting at your desk is one of the most important things that you can do for your posture. If you'd like some more posture tips or any other great, wonderful information, you can either click on the link below to see the videos on our website or subscribe to this channel, and we'll be happy to see you soon.